Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is John and I'm here today to show you um, an EA that quite a few people know about that is very powerful, and that EA, if set to medium risk, can make turn your $10,000 in 5 years to $3 million, and it could be even more depending on how the market is. So there are a couple of EAs out there that claims, to make you turn your $10,000 from 20, to $3 million in 8 years. But this can do it in 5 years. Okay, and it costs half the price. You open your MT5, go to market, and then search for Quantum Emperor Pro. Quantum Emperor Pro. So once you type Quantum Emperor, you see a couple of EAs. This one is Quantum Emperor Pro, which is this one. Click on it. I've already downloaded it. Then you look at the overview page. You see things. You can click on the view live signal to check out the live signal. See the results of the EA and all that, and recommend brokers. This one IC markets is recommended. So in order for you to get the same result that we'll get in the course of this test, I suggest you use IC markets. So the test that was carried out, if you look at the screenshot section, you see um, you will see that there was a test done by the producers of this EA. They used $10,000 and they turned $10,000, $3.3 million between January 1st, 2020 to August 11, 2025. So we're going to replicate that test. So I've already downloaded Quantum Emperor Pro. Click on test, and then it opens the test panel where our money is set to $10,000 initial deposit, and we're using 500 leverage. And also bear in mind we're using 5 minutes. The producers recommend 5 minutes time frame, and our date is set to 2020 January 1st and 2025 August 11th. Okay, so go back to the input. You see, by default, the input, the auto risk level is set to low, very low risk. Okay, and also fixed lot size is enabled. So it's imperative you note these things. We're going to disable fixed lot size. Then we're going to select medium risk to do the test. Okay, all right. Let's click on start to get the test running. Please be patient. We're using real tick. Okay. If we want, some people do theirs, using every minute, but we're using real tick to get as close as real to make sure that we're testing using um the same conditions that your chart will be during live trading. Okay, so the test is already running, and you can see the drawdowns are very minimal except for the beginning of the trade earlier on. Okay, so it's actually multiplying your money as the day goes by. This EA is very powerful, and quite a few people have actually looked at it and all that. So, and it's not been quite long. It's, I think, a few days ago, or barely a week, it was launched. So I suggest you guys go out there, give it a try, download it, do backtest by yourself, and see the results for yourself. You can test um, with different amounts. If you for those who may not have $10,000, you can try with a medium risk with at least 2,500. I think $2,500 is the least required to trade using medium risk. Okay, so one thing I want to let you guys know, if you go to the product page, I think it's imperative that you check out the comment section. the comment section. If you go there, you see things like the recommended minimum balance for every of the risk type. Okay, so also you can see there you can download some set files. Okay, I think set files for medium risk, very low risk, and all. I think, and all the rest of it. Also, there's also something else that was the producer of this EA added. For example, there's include scalping signal used with caution. You know, if you enable this, um, it will add additional trade. For example, if you trade from 2020 to 2025, I think it should add almost over 200 trades additionally to this one. That means if this setting can give you $3.3 million, adding the scalping signals will give you more than that. It might even double it. But just check it out by yourself and let me know in the comment section what you got. Also, in the link, in the comment, in the description, I'll be putting a link to to the MQL page of this EA, so you can go there directly and view it yourself and see all the things um, that the EA producers posted there. Also, this EA has I think um, a group channel. You can join and ask questions there and get answers speedily. This EA is just doesn't require you to do any settings apart from the ones I showed you in this video. It's like it's like a plug and play EA, okay, and it's very powerful. So endeavor to give it a try. We're almost there. I think we're already in 2025 February, so we'll soon finish the test will soon finish. Okay. Okay, we're done. So let's look at the results. So during the back test, we said we used initial deposit of $10,000, as you can see on my screen, and then the net profit actually made the gross profit was around $3.8 million, and after deducting the losses, we have $3.3 million, and the profit factor is 7.7%, 7.73. This is very good. Okay, then looking at, we have total trades of 529, just 529 trades. So that shows you that this EA doesn't enter trade every day. It looks for optimal entries, making sure that that your money is protected and you don't incur losses. Some this is a great EA and it trades as if it's not. And also, looking at this metric here, we have 92% of short trades won. We have 85% of long trade won overall, but profitability rate is set at 87.15%. So just this is a powerful EA actually. Imagine if we include the scalping signals, it will put this around 700 or 800 trades, which will obviously increase the net profit. All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much for viewing. Okay, do not forget to like this video and to subscribe just in case we have additional videos regarding this EA and other EAs. Thank you.